Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing a tutorial on this Rakhi look, so please keep watching. For my skin prep, I'm using this moisturizer and I'm massaging it very nicely on my face. Now I'm taking this cream-based concealer and I'm applying it only on those areas that needs a little extra coverage. For this look, I wanted to skip the foundation, so I'm blending the same concealer all over my face with my fingers. The warmth of the fingers gives a very nice finish to the skin. Then I'm setting my face with the loose powder. Since I decided to skip the foundation, I'm making sure I'm setting my face very well with the loose powder. Now I'm using the same concealer as my base for the eyeshadow. With the help of this crease brush, I'm taking a medium brown color from the palette and I'm applying it all over my crease like this. Then I'm taking a clean fluffy brush and I'm using it to soften the edges of the crease. I'm taking this dark brown color and I'm applying it on the outer corner and the inner corner of my eyes. To make my eyes pop, I'm using this golden foil eyeshadow and I'm applying it only on the center of my eyelids. Then I'm taking this turquoise kajal and I'm smudging it out all over my lash line. With the help of this smudger brush, I'm taking a black eyeshadow and again I'm smudging it out all over my lash line. Next, I'm applying some kajal on my lower lash line. To finish it all off, I'm applying some mascara. Next, I'm using this lip cream as my blush for this look. Blending everything out with a blusher brush. Setting my eyebrows with a spoolie. For the lips, I wanted to keep it nude and simple, so I just used a lip liner. I applied it all over my lips and I blended it out like this. Now I'm using a highlighter on all the high points of my face. And this is the complete look. That's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, turn on the notifications, and I shall see you in my next video. Bye.